Welcome back to my channel. If you've watched my latest video, then I hope you would have started noticing the existence of microbes around you. Today, I'll be telling you how the microbes have been used by humans for their benefit. For half of its existence, microbes were the only life on the planet Earth. They can be found everywhere from frozen ice sheets to deep sea and deep inside the soil. Compared to microbes, we humans are very new on this earth. And yet, our body carries trillions of microbes. Humans have been unknowingly using different microbes in their daily lives for thousands of years. For example, bakers around the world have used microbes to make breads. They did not have the knowledge that it is the unicellular fungus called yeast which is responsible for rising of their breads. Wineries have used bacterial fermentation of sugars, resulting in formation of alcohol for hundreds of years. Household use of microbes exist in the use of lactobacillus cultures to convert milk into curd. Another great example is when in 1928 Dr. Alexander Fleming returned from a holiday. He found a fungus growing on a petri dish of Staphylococcus bacteria. He noticed that the fungus seemed to be preventing the bacteria around it from growing. He soon identified that the mold produced a self-defense chemical that could kill bacteria. This chance discovery ultimately gave him a Nobel Prize in 1945. Many of you may have heard the story, but that the ancient Egyptians used to keep moldy loaves of bread to apply them onto the wounds for their healing properties, not knowing the science behind it. Bacteria are also present in the gut, and they help the process of digestion by releasing enzymes and helping formation of vitamins like vitamin K. They live with us in a symbiotic relationship and are an integral part of humans and are collectively called microbiome. The microbiome is the genetic material of all the microbes, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and viruses that live on and inside the human body. The number of genes in a person's microbiome is 200 times that of the human genome. The properties of the microbiome have shown association with preterm birth, inflammatory bowel disease, and diabetes in humans according to some studies. Doctors are now using fecal transplant as a treatment modality. They transplant feces containing microbiome from a healthy human to a diseased human to cure diseases like ulcerative colitis, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, multiple sclerosis, Parkinsonism, and even cancers. With the advancement of science and technology, humans have learned to manipulate microbes to make useful products in large-scale industrial settings. Bacteria are easy to grow in large numbers in labs, so using the recombinant DNA technology, we can insert the genes of interest into the bacterial genome. They can act as vessels for making copies of those genes and the coded proteins in large quantities for industrial production. Production of human insulin, hepatitis B vaccine, growth hormone, and anti-hemophilic factor for human use are some of the examples. So, this technology has unlimited potential in terms of medical use in the form of antibiotics, vaccines, vitamins, nutritional supplements, and probiotics. Microbes are also being used as mining agents. Biomining is a process of using microbes to extract metals of economic interest from rock ores or mine waste. They can also be used to clean up sites that have been polluted with metals. Most current biomining operations target valuable metals like copper, uranium, nickel, and gold. Biomining is to be conducted under controlled conditions with proper sealing and waste management. Microorganisms play a vital role in enhancement of soil fertility. Azotobacter, Rhizobium, Clostridium are few examples of nitrogen-fixing bacteria which play a primary role in transforming atmospheric nitrogen into inorganic compounds which are then used by the plants. Another beautiful way of tapping the unlimited potential of microbes is bioremediation. Bioremediation means that now we can introduce specific microbes into the environment to restore its stability and clean up the toxic pollutants. For example, small oil spills occur every now and then, but the large oil spills are damaging the marine life. The oil kills organisms like fish and zooplanktons, which form the base of the marine food pyramid. A sudden disappearance of phytoplankton would lead to the complete collapse of the aquatic ecosystem. Although oil spill won't cause a sudden disappearance, they do end up causing great harm to the marine life. To minimize the harmful effects to oil spills, there are many bacteria that can be used to clean or remove the oil from ocean water by degrading the hydrocarbons. Pseudomonas putida is one such genetically modified, highly efficient microbe that can be used for decontamination of oil spills. Moving on, microbes can even break down harmful man-made chemicals. The treatment of water and sewage also utilizes services of microbes. Microbiologists are working on developing microbes for degrading garbage in the landfills, including plastics and other products. So this was in brief about some of the numerous uses of microbes for human activities. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep watching for more videos like this. Do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive notifications about new and exciting videos. I would appreciate your comments. Please like and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.